Here we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which one of these isn't working? Just by looking. You can pause the video and put it in the comment section below if you want. Let me show you which one's not working. We're looking for heat here. These are gas fired. Cold air. Cold air. Cold air. Warm air, surprisingly. Cold air. Got warm air. So we got 2 out of the 6 that are actually doing their job. Gotta love it. Let's start with the big, this one over here. Yeah, alright. You know, what do you guys think, like, is wrong with these things? Why do I have to keep coming up here? Pressing little buttons and shutting it down, turning it back on. Oh, man. Somebody's been in here. Disconnected whatever the hell this is. Huh. I don't know. But it's calling for heat. It's just not heating. See if we get any trouble codes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4? Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hell, where's the... I'm gonna figure this crap out, man. That's not gonna do it. What damn manual's that, man? I thought there was manuals in here. Well, whatever. Watch this. Shut it down. Go. Give it a rest so it can clear its codes. This one probably have to hit the little drop out. Yeah, always have to do. Yep. Oops, sorry. There it goes. Whoosh. She's a heater now. She's heating now. So that's that one. This one I don't think I could ever get to work. And plus that fan, can't ever get it to call for heat. That's not going to throw out because that's not even calling for, it's like it's not even calling for heat, so. Shut this one down. It's a cold day today here in Jacksonville, Florida, guys. Surprisingly. I don't know what's going on with that. I'm not. Yeah, that's nice and toasty. So, okay, there's one working. So back over here. This is why you don't want Aaon units. I think I'm in my own, I think I'm in the right place to talk crap about these units. Over-engineered. Tad bit over-engineered. And then I don't think that one's not running. I actually hear compressors. I don't know why that would be, but all right, this thing's got to line up with NASA's satellite or some crazy crap like that. I don't know, for it to boot up. So all right. On to the next one. All right, this one's working. That's good. So that one must have just went out and not had called for heat or something. And this one working. This one's working, but the exhaust smells funky on it. And I think it's shut down. Yeah, it comes on and off, but these are makeup air units. I'm kind of confused because we have 6 units up here. I can only find 4 thermostats for this building that controls this. Now I'm thinking thermostat 1, 2, 3, 4. Because this a hallway goes out on the hallway. It's the kitchen, because there's a fume hood right there. Then this is for this side of the building, and this is for this side of the building. And then this is all the way on the end of the building. And as far as I heard, a makeup air unit takes the air out of the building, sucks in fresh air through here, goes through a heat wheel, which is kind of dirty, exchanges the heat but removes carbon dioxide from the building here. That's how I don't know about a makeup air unit. So let's go back over here. The little sister, that's big brother, and little sister, and then the babies. It's still blowing cold air. And I smell a small amount of gas, so maybe we got a igniter module issue or something. I don't know. It's got 2 igniters, electric spark. I hate messing with these things, man. Too much crap. Yep, it's time. There we go. There it goes. Oh yeah. Flaming happy. I better close this. So that doesn't sound right though. Kind of sounds like those flames need more gas or more air, one or the other. I don't know. Alright, so that should get them back up and running. Man, these filters still didn't come in. I need to change these. These are getting dirty. Pre-filters. Alright, I don't want to have to come back here on this roof again, so I just want to double check everything. But these are nice and shiny and brand new. Need to come up here and wash this heat wheel out. This is what a two-week filter looks like in an Aaon unit after I just cleaned the filters in these. So that's 2 weeks right there. to pull that heat well out too. This crap right here. See? I just changed all these filters, so. But those ones that filter the outside air, man, you have to be up here monthly. Like, they require babysitting. Plain and simple. This one's got like the digital scroll with the unloader and a regular digital scroll. Oh yes, this is how you stay warm on the roof right here. Just get by Aaon vent, just sit here. All right, guys, I guess I got them all back up and running. At least the two big ones, and two of the baby ones are working. So, and the makeup air units, whatever. They suck air out anyway. So, all right, guys, Geoff the maintenance man, back up here babysitting Aaon units. Thanks for coming along.